Hi, hello friends. My name is Jagdish. Today in this Angular video, we learn about routing. So, what is mean by routing? Routing means navigate different pages in our single page application. First of all, create two or three component inside our application. I am create here. First component name is user. Okay, user component successfully created. After that, I am create another component home. Home component created successfully. After that, I am create another component name is about. Okay, our last component about is successfully created. After that, open app dot app routing dot module dot ts file. In that, create object inside this array, and in that create two things. First one is path, and second is component. In that, our first component is about, and name of component is about component. Same as another component user, user component, and last one is home component. Leave it blanks because it is default component. When we open application, it displays the home component. And import this component. First one is import something from about component from about slash about dot component. After that, import user component from user dot component. After that, our last component import home component home dot component. Okay, after that, open app.component.html file. Remove this code except from this router outlet and create here a link for routing. I'm right here s2 tag. In that I'm write routing example. After that link for our three routes, right, for anchor tag. In that first is about, okay, it's home. After that for about, after that for user component. And right here router link, leave it blank. After that router link, name of about router link, use this name, user about, it is small for about, write about here, and for user write user. Save this, compile and open our application. I use here br tag. Okay, when we click on about, it show about works, and when we click user, it show user work. In this way we create number of routes in our application. Thanks for watching.